Hello dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. I am also very fantastic well. Today in this video we are gonna show you our natural beauty and also we are gonna show our practice spoken English. So let's see, let's watch full video. Actually, I have been staying here right now since morning. I have been working in this field. You can see behind me many okhra is there. This is our father working here. Actually, the weather is very hot. The weather is bad. So I feel very tired. I feel like take rest, but nothing is possible. I picked the whole vegetable. I picked the whole okra. You can see here. This is many flower. You can see here. This is our okra field. This is our okra flower. Actually, okra is very important for us because okra mainly gives us vitamin. You know. You can see here. Take the vegetable okra. So I want to show you this area. This area are very beautiful. You can see here behind me. There are many vegetables here. There are many kinds of vegetable. Actually, this vegetable field name is pointed gourd vegetable field. You can see here. Many. You can see here. Many goat here. Actually, this is our goat. Eating the grass. They are eating the grass. Actually, grass is favorite food for goat and cow, you know. So, stay with us. This is whole area. Pick the vegetable. Many okra. In front of camera, I will try spoken English. You can see here, over here, this is electricity line. Actually, electricity line is very dangerous for us because this is our field, vegetable field. You can see here, today is the hot day. The weather is very hot. Temperature is very high. So this is dangerous for me. Everyone has one question: how to improve your spoken English? Actually, I will try learn English. I will try spoken English. So, if you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good learner, then you must first overcome your shyness. Because if you are shy, you don't success in life. If you are shy, you don't in front of camera. This is okra field, you know. I will try English talking myself. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you next time. Have a good day. Pray for me.